Welcome back. This is Keith All, and we're going to continue on with the mobile edits for our one-page website using the Builderall platform. Today we're going to start with the new panel, which is the gallery panel. This is the finished product, and this is what the gallery panel will look like once we're done making the mobile edits in our website that we're working with. So let's go over to our site that we're editing. We're going to go over to the upper left hand corner and click on the mobile icon. Okay, let's collapse this. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. We'll see how it actually looks. So this is what it currently looks like. So we're gonna let's make our changes. So let's go back to our finished site and let's click on the actual panel itself. Let's see what size it is. 1045 by 200. Let's go over here. Okay, that's the same. Let's go back over here. See if there's any other settings we need to look at. We should be fine. Okay. So our next one is, let's see, looks like we got a box element, image gallery. Let's get the box element first. Okay, let's go over here and let's see. So we're going to move the box element above the gallery image. Okay, now let's go back over here. Let's see the size. Let's go over here, 387 width. Okay, that looks like the same. 129 and 50. 129 and 50. Okay, that's fine. We'll probably have to do adjust the lateral spacing. Let's go over here. So it's all 5s, and then the last two is 60 and 20. So the top is 60, the bottom is 20. Okay, let's see if there's any other layers. I think we're all good to go on the box element. So the next thing that we need to edit is the two text elements within the box element. So let's work on this. Okay. So this one's going to be above here. So the text is centered and the size on mobile is 18. That's what we got there. See if there's any other thing. Let's check under advanced. So it's all 5s and the bottom setting is set to 0. Scroll down here, advanced. This one's set to 0. Okay. So that's fine. Now let's check this text element. Size is 45 and centered. Oops. Okay, and now the advanced, let's check it. It looks like it's all set to 5s. Oh wait, let's see. This is the finished one, so it's all, the top is set to 0, but everything else is set to 5 for lateral spacing. Okay, that should take care of that. Okay, now the next element is going to be the image element. So let's figure this out. It's actually the image gallery element, but let's scroll up here. Let's go to general settings. Let's see. Alternating. Alternating meaning that whatever images that you have in a gallery, and I explained this when we were doing the actual desktop view, but alternating means it's going to alternate the sizes of the images. As you can see, all of them are different sizes. So images per page, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably because I only have 5 images, but columns, 1 column, 2 columns. Vertical margin, meaning the space between each image. So if they're on top of each other, that's a vertical. Horizontal is between the columns, or between the rows basically. And let's see, so that's 6, 2, 5, and 5. 6, 2, 5, and 5. It all should be the same, which it is. Okay, so let's go over here. I don't think we need to change anything here. Let's go under advanced. Let's see what this is. Okay. So everything is set to 15. The top 3, let's do that first. Okay. That's 15. Then 5 and 20, top and bottom, 5 and 21. Let's see. 21. There we go. Okay. Border. Let's see what else we got here. minimum size 435. Let's see. So that was the trick. The minimum size will actually change this. We still needed to update the other settings, the property settings, but minimum height, or under the minimum size properties setting, the minimum height here adjusts the image gallery element size of it. So let's scroll down here. Let's make sure. So now you can see the whole thing here. Let's go back to the finished one, and it is the same. Okay. I'm just flipping back and forth just to make sure. Yep. Everything's okay. So on the next video, we're gonna, let's go, first of all, let's go here and save our changes. We'll go back to the desktop icon. Scroll up here. Let's click on save. Let's actually go over here. Okay, let's go over here, and then make sure you always save your changes. And this is the finished product on the mobile view, and we're gonna, on our next video, we're gonna work on the next section or panel, which is right below the gallery, and that should be the contact us section. Let's scroll down here. Give it a second to load up. There we go. And then this is the next section that we're going to be working on. And if you look over here, let's go over here. You can see how everything is jumbled up, everything is oversized for the contact us section, and we're going to be working on that next. So please like, subscribe to my channel. It helps move this video and my channel up in the algorithm. So when other people are trying to search for tutorials like this in the Builderall platform, they'll be able to see it, and more people will be impacted by it. So I do appreciate your time to showing up, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye now.